I am here with Superintendent Steve Chapman, and I've got just one thing I'd like to ask you about today, and that is inclement weather. So when it comes to inclement weather, when there's a chance of inclement weather, what guides our decisions in the district?
You know, that's a great question, Dave. The thing that guides our decision making when it comes to inclement weather on whether or not to cancel classes really is student and staff safety. We want to ensure that our students and our staff can travel safely to school without any problems.
Very good, very good. So I know there's a process behind this. What does the actual process look like when we're starting to get into these decisions?
Yes, Dave, there is a process. In HEB ISD, we're a continuous improvement school district, so there is always a process associated with anything that we do. And so the process for determining whether or not to cancel class really begins about 4 a.m. We have members of our transportation department that are out driving the streets. They're making sure that those streets are safe. They also are going to check all of the overpasses in our school district, along with checking our 2 high school parking lots, because we have students who are driving to school at the high schools. We want to ensure that that's safe, checking our sidewalks at our schools. And so that's really how we make a determination. If we think that it is really too dangerous for students to safely get to school, or for our school buses to safely transport students, then we are going to cancel classes. Now, sometimes we know, because of weather moving into the area early in the evening, we know there's enough precipitation. We also are in constant contact with the National Weather Service. We know that precipitation is not expected to move out of the area. Then we're able to cancel school, in the evening, and not have to do that at 6 o'clock in the morning. But that's our process. And again, it's all about trying to ensure student and staff safety.
I like that. So if you are ever curious about whether we are going to cancel school, make sure you check our district website, check our social media, or sign up for our email newsletter, because those are the ways we will share that information when the decision has been made. Thank you very much, and thank you for stopping by.